And now we're gonna cook macaroni tuna. This is my favorite dessert of all time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So let's start cooking. First, let's put oil. And then second, let's put the garlic. Wow. And now, let's put the onion. And then, let's put the century tuna, 2 cans. And obviously this tuna, I already pour the oil away, so it's okay to eat. And then we put the messy cream for the deliciousness. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Now let's stir and stir until it settles. Again. This looks like so delicious. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it. And I always thank my mom for teaching me this. This is my favorite. Now it's doesn't sizzle. Now we're gonna put Now let's put this macaron. This is already cooked, so it's more fast. Now this is also ready. Wipe it in. Just be careful. Just really be careful, guys. If you're doing this like me, please be careful. Oh yeah, put the delicious thing in. Oh yeah. Oh, it's okay. I figured it out. Okay, slowly. Yeah, this is more good exercise for my hands. Oh my god. This is really good exercise for my hands so that I won't be so lazy. Help my mother. Not so lazy. Okay. Most delicious. Let's stir. Okay, and then stir. Now guys, let's put in the plate. And let's go eat.